be screaming my heart from here to the depths of God's sphere, to find the difference we make between now and forever. Oh, I can see you standing there, I can see you holding free.